Hello there, Crypto Moses crew. Welcome back to the channel where we part the seeds of crypto's confusion. And I want to lead you guys straight to the promised land of profits. That's really my goal. That's why I like the name Moses. And we're going to dive into 5 big reasons, you guys, why selling your XRP tokens right now might actually be the biggest mistake you could make. I made that mistake in 2017, rebought back in 2019, learned my lesson, and now we're going to have research to back it up because you guys, that's the only way we're going to make money in this industry. And look, stick around. I also want to show you guys how to actually trade XRP like a pro using either BTCC or one of the most beautiful exchanges out there. Trust me, you guys do not want to miss this, and make sure you're subscribed. Learn as much as you can during this holiday break. All right, let's talk about XRP, you guys. It is no secret. The price has taken a massive freaking hit recently, but so has crypto, right? And it's basically dropped about 30% from its December highs. But hold up. Before you just want to panic sell, because that's what emotionally happens to all us freaking traders, let's look at the bigger picture. Let's zoom out, right? XRP is still technically up over 500% just this year. So anything you would have put in the beginning of the year would have 5x'd. That's freaking massive. There's not many stocks that are doing that, right? And it shows you guys that this token specifically has a lot of staying power. Now, reason number one why you might want to hold your XRP is Trump's inauguration is literally just around the corner. Love him or hate him, his administration is actually shaping up to be way more crypto friendly than any other administration we've ever had. Regulatory clarity is technically on the horizon for crypto, and that will be a game changer and it will impact XRP's adoption. Reason number two, we have the SEC shakeoff, right? Rumor has it that Gary Gensler might not actually stick around much longer. We've heard that, but I want to see it happen. And if the leadership at the SEC changes, we could see so much more crypto positive stances, which is music to all crypto holders and XRP holders. Number three, and this one's huge. There is talks, I've heard it, I've seen it, of an XRP ETF approval. I don't know, but imagine you guys, if institutions pulled their money into XRP the same way they did with Bitcoin and Ethereum. The demand would extremely skyrocket, and we would all know what that means for price action. Okay. Reason number four, Ripple's legal wins. Ripple's actually been crushing it in courts lately, which I didn't expect to happen. I thought it was over for them. And every victory right now is adding to the legitimacy of XRP and crypto in general. Legal clarity will always boost confidence in investors, institutions, and in regular companies, and more importantly, governments. And this confidence will always drive more adoption. And then finally, the fifth reason, and my favorite reason, is the charts will never lie, right? Analysts and all crypto nerds are calling XRP's 3-month pattern to become extremely bullish. This recent dip, it could be nothing more than just a healthy correction before the next leg up. And historically, consolidation phases like this, you guys, often lead to really big explosive rallies. Now, let me hit you something that you're going to love. If you guys do trade XRP and you want to do it smartly, I really want you to check out BTCC. I've been making most of my money trading on there. This platform is one of the longest running crypto exchanges out there, so I really value that. I have more faith in that. It's perfect for beginners and pros. I've met some of their team. They seem so honest and legit, and they will let you trade XRP with leverage up to 500x on their USDT perpetual contracts. This literally means you can amplify your gains and amplify your margin. You can put $100, 500x it, and now you've got a $5,000 position on XRP. And whether you're riding the wave up or down, you can win on both sides because it allows you to short as well. Signing up is really easy. I'll leave the link below, you guys. I actually want to show you guys the charts more importantly. As we do look at XRP, we can see here that we fully stabilized to this line, which is amazing. It's amazing because we've gotten a good little rally bounce back up. And I think the rally was roughly 20%. So we got a 20% up rally, right? And it's just within a day, right? We've had it 1 day and a couple of hours. No, it's under a day. We've had a 21% rally. And of course, that only happens in crypto. We bottomed out as of right now at 195, 96 area. But look. What you can also see in here is this zone actually is a very popular zone for Ripple. And when we really zoom out, let's zoom out in the 12-hour chart, we can see here that RSI has hit the bottom and is starting to recover. We don't see any bearish divergence or bullish divergence on here right now, which is okay. But what we do see is we've stabilized down here, right? People have found that price to be a good liquidity zone to buy. So right now, the next question is, will we leg it up to here? It all comes down to the inauguration, what's going to happen with Trump and what's coming up next. All right, guys, here's actually my current thinking on this trade and where I do see Ripple's next potential coming. If we look at the 12-hour time frame that we're seeing now, we saw this big support position. We see that this is where we had a lot of support coming in from liquidity, and this is a very solid area. And more importantly, we also have this area right here as its next big support. You can actually see on BTC, it hit that support spot and it went right back up. If any of you guys were watching and had followed this trade, you could have done it on BTCC 50 exit, even 500 exit, and your profits would have been beautiful. But for Ripple itself and where we are here to see the charts in the long run, let's go to the week time frame. I really want to talk about that. We are in uncharted territory. Yes, we have not hit these all-time highs. Here's the problem though. In this area here, we did not stay very much. So we do not actually know how the market feels about this area. This is still technically new to us. But what we do see is we have points here that are really, really good support, right? We know that this line is going to be a long-term hold for Ripple. Market clearly shows us that it's interested in it. And then if we go down to the lower time frames, we can see here that percentage-wise, we've actually done on average from the bigger move up to let's remove that 42%. That's a lot in crypto, especially if you're leveraging it with 10, 20, 50x. And then from here, what we do see is we've got this bit of a resistance built up. So here's one way you can look at this chart, right? We've got this like this. It's one of those triangles that has either the potential to stop here, go up, and maybe bounce back to give us a move up to the upside, or it's got the opportunity maybe to bounce here, stop here, and then we start going down to hit this downside. And if we do something like that, if you're trading, you can always short once you see these plays. What you're going to want to do on these plays is specifically wait for, I think I can only change the color after I draw. Yeah, that's annoying. But oh, that's even more annoying. It's okay. So the only way that I would enter this trade is if I see it either break out here or break out here. And it's not going to be that exact area, you guys. The market moves. You never have full control of it, but you do have the potential. If it breaks out above this white line, we have so much potential to 2, 3, 4, 5x. And if it breaks down this line, you also have so much potential if you're shorting it on an exchange like BTCC. So it's a great opportunity right now. Definitely just keep watching Ripple. But if you're in the long term hold, I definitely recommend just holding and being patient, right? We just kind of have to wait it out because we don't know exactly. But what we do know is the charts are showing that Ripple has the potential to 2 to 5 to 10x from here. We just need to be a little bit of patience. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.